These optimization tricks will cut your Premiere Pro render time by hours down to minutes. And I'm proving it with a graphic card that's almost a decade old. When my Nvidia GT 710 was taking hours for simple export, I discovered some tricks that changed everything. So go to sequence settings and under video previews change preview file format to QuickTime and then codec to Apple ProRes 422 and hit OK. So now when you are exporting your videos, make sure to check this box, use preview. So what it does, basically use your previews for faster export, and don't worry, it won't affect your video quality. Wait until you see the hidden sixth trick. It's something most people completely miss. Select your clips, then right click and go to proxy and then create proxies. Then change format to QuickTime and preset to ProRes medium resolution. For destination, you can select either one of them. For my case, I'm using this. Then click OK. It's gonna automatically open Media Encoder and start exporting your proxies. For any reason, if it doesn't start automatically, just click on this green playhead button. So basically it works by creating copy of your clips in low resolution and it's gonna give you smooth playback of your timeline. Any changes you make in your timeline using proxy is also gonna be applied to your main clip. It is just temporarily, so don't worry, it won't affect your video quality at all. Click this toggle proxy button for using your proxies in your timeline. By any chance, if you don't see this button, just click this plus icon and then drag proxy button. Go to the edit and then click on preference, then go to memory and lower this number as much as possible, and now change optimize rendering for memory to performance. So what it's gonna do is allocate memory to Adobe based software for faster and smoother preview. So have you ever thought about what all these lines are for? Red, yellow, greens, like it's a traffic light in Premiere Pro. So basically it tells how well Premiere is gonna run. Red means so much lag and yellow means somewhat lag, and finally green means you are good to go. Now go to the sequence and then there are two options. Render effects in and out means it is only gonna render your effects, not the clip. And render in and out means it is going to render your entire area between in and out points. You can select in and out area by pressing I for in and O for out on your keyboard. Quick note, every time you make a change in your timeline, you have to pre-render again. This one is really simple, just click on drop down menu and select lowest resolution for preview. Now for the final trick which most people don't know about. Go to edit and then preference and then audio hardware. Now go to device class and change it from MME to ASIO. Click on settings and select your output device. If you are watching till now and nothing else worked for you, this might be the trick for you. Quick side note, only change this setting if nothing else worked for you, and it's done.